Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn ABC in shapes. A, B, C, circle, square, triangle. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, circle, square, triangle. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. Circle. A coin is a shiny circle. Square. A book is a square shape. Triangle. A roof is shaped like a triangle. A, B, C, circle, square, triangle. Please like and subscribe to my channel.